the golden age of stars.
School Kengeri. With deep respect, I warmly welcome our beloved Principal Reverend Father Martin and our Principal Reverend Father Finn, respected coordinators, Ms. Sheila and Ms. Jasmine Ma'am, and especially our Preprimary Coordinator, Ms. Hemlata Ma'am. A special welcome to all our dear grandparents, brothers, teachers, and ever supportive helping staff of Preprimary.
The theology and philosophy studies. Beloved coordinators, we are teaching and non-teaching faculty members, our most shining golden stars of Christ School, and my dear in Christ Rise.
And it is my honor to give vote of thanks for today's inaugural Third Talent Blitz. I sincerely thank our Principal Reverend Father Martin, Vice Principal Reverend Father Fennel, coordinators Ms. Jasmine, Ms. Sheila and Ms. Hemlata Ma'am, as well as all our teachers and helping staff for organizing this wonderful event.
Ni mani gather to celebrate talent, creativity, and the golden spark that shines in every Christ life.
Absolutely. The journey of Talents Blitz has been nothing short of spectacular, full of rhythm, creativity, laughter, and joy.
Very good afternoon to everyone present here. I'm Miss Pavitra. It gives me immense joy to welcome you all to this valedictory ceremony of the third Talent Blitz at School Kengeri.
Thought I found a way out, but I'm never gonna wait. So I guess I'm gonna stay now. Oh, I hope someday I make it out of fear, even if it takes some day. I can find my feet, bookum തരുണം മറുയിരെ പാർത്തതാരുമില്ലേ പുലരും കാலை பொழுதை முழுவனதும் பிறந்து போகதில்லையே நேற்று வழி நேரம் போகதில்லையே
Chupulapay niret always in kapestave Karitinchani devunde kannar paga chustave kannu vayadute nerunte kadantunnave Chupai bangaramayane Srivalli namve navaratnamayane Niruvanta chudari నిలోనంట కనుకే ఇచాపద సంత జన్మకే తోడైనేరంట
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ದಿನಗಳು ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ.
dear staff members, dear grandparents, my dear judges and my dear children. First of all, I congratulate all the participants in these cultural events and a special word of congratulations to all the winners. Let us give all of them.
Everybody clap. Followed by Memento by Miss Sheila and Miss Jasmine. Thank you, Father. Thank you for your presence.
There was a boy named John. Amma, ninna yadayala talli, galakke sikka meenu, midukaduತ್ತಿರುವೆ ನಾನು.
Christ. Did you enjoy the day? Are you happy today? Are you happy because we are closing the talent blitz? No, you are happy because you have achieved a great many the medals, the certificates, and many more. The hidden talents that is within you is today revealed that you can shine. You can shine.
It's my privilege and pleasure to deliver the oath of thanks on behalf of the pre-primary section. First and foremost, we express our heartfelt gratitude to our Chief Guest, Reverend Father Sebastian CMI, for gracing this occasion with his esteemed presence. Your words of inspiration have truly motivated our young talents to dream bigger and shine brighter. Thank you, Father, for your valuable presence and blessings.